Most people know how hard it is to mix oil and water. Even so, numerous products contain this mix. Examples are paint, dairy products, creams, lotions and medicines. As mixing oil and water is so hard, these products are very difficult to produce.
If you mix oil and water, eventually the oil will be floating on top of the water, so you will not really have a good mixture. Now you can do that with big machines, but that is not so precise and it will cost you a lot of energy. And what we have achieved now within our research is that we are capable of doing that at very low energy cost and also in a very precise fashion. And that's very relevant because if you think about medication, for example, you want to have the same amount of medication in each droplet. That makes it very effective and you don't overdose. So controlling the droplet size is very important, and having an additional gain in reducing the amount of energy is an extra plus. So we're very happy that we could achieve that within this project.
Another example of the relevancy can be found in the food industry. Take mayonnaise. Mayonnaise consists mainly of small fat droplets. These you experience when they hit the thousands of taste buds on your tongue. As you can see, these droplets only affect a portion of your taste buds, but that is enough to taste the mayonnaise. Using nanotechnology, you can create stable drops, which exists of water and only an outer layer from fat. Result, you taste the mayonnaise just as good, but you get a lot less calories. NanoNaise.
What we've done in our lab is actually use very tiny channels. If you use them, you can control the flow of oil and water in a very precise way. And besides that, it also allows you to control the process on a nanoscale. So you can use these devices to have a very nice structure on the outside of the droplets. And that's very important because that determines their stability. What we do in our lab is learn from one device how one droplet is made, and we scale it up to a scale which is much more interesting for industry. So we can make a lot of product. And in many industries this is relevant because many industries need to mix oil and water and keep it stable. So you can think, for example, of foods, but you can also think about medication, you can think about personal care. In all these fields you would need to mix oil and water, and we think that we have the solution for that.
So in the near future, you won't need to apply a thick layer of suntan lotion anymore because UV filters will be uniformly spread in the lotion. All of this is thanks to nanotechnology.